So this game is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. It takes about 20 seconds to speak 280 characters, and that's the challenge that we transfer to you, which is to explain to us November in 20 seconds. But it's not that easy. You also need to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet. So we'll be playing multiple games through the course of the podcast. So for this one, which one of you is going to go first?
Go.
I'll go.
So we've got a timer.
Okay. November is a plural design practice working at the intersection of design and typography, ABCD emoji. Founded by Shiva Nallaperumal and Juhi Vishnani, based in #Mumbai.
Oh, not bad at all, sir. Well done. Nice. Juhi, you have a tough one to
I have to
follow
say
up.
it again.
You have to say something slightly different now.
Are you? But this is all November does.
Give it a different angle.
November works across various different industries: fashion, dress emoji, tech, phone emoji, media, TV emoji, and publishing, book emoji. #diversity.
14.
Yeah, good enough.
Nice.